In this video, we'll see together how to set up a Brevo account. We need to get a Brevo API key to be able to send emails to the admin of the radio app. So we have to move to the Brevo website, brevo.com. If you have an account in this website, you can log in. If not, need to sign up for free account. Here we'll put the email address and we have to choose a password. Now we have to validate our registration by opening our email inbox. Here is the mail received from the Brevo platform. Then we have to click on confirm my email address. And we have to complete the registration form. Then we click on continue. And we have to select the country, and after that we click on continue.
You have received an SMS from.
You will receive a verification code sent to your mobile phone. You have to write the confirmation code in this in text input. Then you have to click on verify. Here for starter plan, we can choose the free starter plan. As starter user, we don't need a premium plan for now. We click on continue with free plan. At this stage, we have successfully achieved the first step, which is the sign up in the Brevo account. We return to the documentation to see the next steps. Now we have to get the API key, which we can find in the SMTP and API section. Then in the tab called API key, we can find the API key. We can either create or find the existing API keys. So we return to the Brevo account dashboard. We click on the top right menu. Then we click on SMTP and API. And then here we click on API keys tab. And here we have to generate a new API key by clicking on this. We just need to give a name to our API key. For instance, we will name it radio app. We click on generate button. And here is the API key. Just we need to copy then paste our API key in the Backend dashboard in the appropriate section. Here we have to browse to server settings. Then we have to select the environment variables settings. Then we have to replace this string with our API key generated in the Brevo account. Then we click on save. We will return to this section later after defining the sender name and the sender email address in Brevo account. Okay, then we have to complete the third step, which is the verification of our sender domain or email. So here in the senders and IP, we have to select senders, then add a new sender. After that, we complete the name, email address, company address, etc. All these informations, then clicking on save to create the sender. After that, we have to replace these two variables in our environment variables stored in the Back4App platform by our sender email address and the sender name. So we have to complete this step before being able to send emails from our Yalla web radio application. So we have to click on senders and IP in this sections. Okay, we click on this. After that, we have to click here in the add sender button. We have to name the sender, for instance, Yalla radio admin, for instance, Yalla radio admin, and from email yallaweb.cloud@outlook.com. After that, we have to click on add sender button. Here there is a note displayed inside this modal saying that the sender email address is obtained from free provider. Emails sent from free addresses are more likely to end up in a recipient's spam folders. This is true, so it's better to use a professional email address which ends with @yourwebsite.com, for instance. For now, we just use this as demo. In our case, since we are sending the emails to radio admin user, so we don't have a risk to receive the email in spam folder, because we are sending the emails to just one person. Normally, now we have to receive a verification code in the yallaweb.cloud@outlook.com, but for now we don't have such an email. We did not yet receive this email, so we have to wait some moments. But the verification process is limited in time, so we have to click on resend verification code another time. Okay, that's it. Verify a new sender. We click on this email, then we have to copy this code, copy, then we paste it here. That's it. The sender email address is now verified, and we can set up our environment variables in our Back4App platform. Just we need to copy these two information here. I will paste them on the notepad to update the corresponding environment variables. I'll paste it here. And here we have to update name of the variables, email sender name, okay, this one, this is the email sender name, and the latter is the email sender email. So we have to copy these two environment variable names. We have to replace the existing one, so I have to copy these two lines here. Then I will return to environment variables section. After that, we have to replace these two variables in the environment variables by our verified name and sender address. That's it. After that, you have to change the contact form receiver admin email by your own email address, which will receive the submitted contact forms. Do not forget to update this email address in your case to receive the sent email. Then we click on save to validate the change of the environment variables content. That's it. We have finished the setup of our Brevo account, and these are the steps required to set up Brevo in our radio application. See you in the next video.